lead. We make winners who lead.
Dear students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. In this video, we are going to see few questions based on trigonometry. Okay, definitely you can expect 2 questions under mathematical skills part in trigonometry. Okay, so the questions which we are going to discuss now are based on the September math question papers. Now, see the first question. If the angle of elevation of a tower from a distance of 100 meters from its foot, angle of elevation means you need to see upwards. Okay, from a, see, angle of elevation of a tower. Let us consider this as a tower. From a distance of 100 meters from its foot. So the distance is what? 100 meters. Let us take the tower as AB and this point as C. And the angle of elevation, they have given it as what? 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Now, tan 60 is equal to, so what is the basic formula for tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is here nothing but AB divided by adjacent BC. Okay. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. What is tan 60? Root 3. Okay. Which is equal to AB divided by BC. Right? So, what is BC? Root 3. AB is nothing but height h. BC is 100. So, h is equal to 100 root 3 meters, your answer. Height of the tower is 100 root 3 meters. Okay. Now, we see the next question. If a pole 12 meter high casts a shadow 4 root 3 meter long on the ground, find the sun's elevation. So, what is the height of the pole? 12 meter. It casts a shadow 4 root 3 meter. Okay, let us consider AB as the pole and shadow BC. Find the sun's elevation theta. So we should know tan theta is equal to opposite AB by adjacent BC. So tan theta is equal to opposite 12 by 4 root 3. So 3 by root 3. 3 you can take it as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3. And theta is equal to nothing but tan inverse of root 3. So what is tan inverse of root 3? 60. So theta is equal to 60 degrees here. Okay. Now, this is the next question. An observer 1.7 meter tall. Okay, let us consider an observer. He is 1.7 meter tall. If consider him as AB. Is 20 root 3 meter away from a tower. Let us consider this as a tower. Root 3 meters. The angle of elevation from the eye of the observer. Angle of elevation from the eye of the observer is what? The tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay, let us consider this region as D. Okay, right? So if BC is 20 root 3, AE will also be equal to what? 20 root 3. Okay, now see, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite DE by AE. Tan 30, 1 by root 3 is equal to DE, we need to find out. Okay, DE is, we need to find out. And what is AE? 20 root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. So D is 20. Okay, and I know that C is nothing but 1.7 meter. So height of the tower DC is equal to 20 plus 1.7. So 21.7 meter is your answer. Right? Now, we'll see the next question. The ratio of tower and length of its shadow on the ground is root 3 is to 1. What is the elevation of the tower? ratio of the tower and length of its shadow, root 3, 1. And what is the elevation of the tower, angle theta? Tan theta is equal to root 3 by 1. And when tan theta is equal to root 3, and theta will be equal to 60 degree. That's all, very simple. You see the next question. The height of a tower is 12 meter. The height of a tower is 12 meter. What is the length of its shadow when sun's altitude is 45 degree? When sun's altitude is 45 degree. A, B, C, let us take, we need to find out what is the shadow length BC. So tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite 12 by BC. Okay. Now tan 45 is 1, which is equal to BC, and BC is equal to same 12. Okay, I hope you got few ideas about how to solve the questions based on trigonometry. All the best, students. Those who are looking for online coaching, you can contact 8870046080, and also we have provided the registration link in the description box. With that, you can register. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.